Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok's login error, which means let's say you try to log in into a TikTok account, you just can't. It says error, try again later, or like too many attempts. Alright, in that case what you want to do is, first step is make sure your internet connection, because sometimes due to poor internet connection you can't connect to TikTok server. That's why you can't log in into your account. So make sure to check if your internet is fast enough for you to run TikTok properly. And if it is fast enough and you're still facing this problem, the next step is, now before I show you the next step, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. The next step is basically just going to your Play Store or App Store and searching for TikTok to see if there's any update or not. If it says update over here, you can click on update to update it, but mine says open, which means my TikTok is up to date. Now if you need to update your TikTok, update it, but if your TikTok is up to date and you're still facing the problem, what you need to do is just delete your TikTok, reinstall it again. What this is going to do is, this is going to reset your TikTok setting, and all the bugs and all the thing which is causing you the login error should be fixed. Alright, just delete your TikTok, reinstall it again, and it should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then what you can do is download a VPN and connect to any other country. I would suggest you to connect to USA, but try connecting to any other country. If connecting to Singapore, India didn't work, then try to connect to USA. Just download any free VPN. I'm using this VPN called VPN Super Unlimited over here. So it's a free VPN for iPhone users. For Android user, you can use whichever you want. There's plenty of free VPN. So basically after downloading it, make sure to connect to any other country. If it has the option for USA, it would be better. Connect to USA and try to open your TikTok, and it should open up and you can log in into your account doing that method as well. And sometimes basically TikTok servers go offline due to maintenance break or for other reason. If that's the case, then the only thing you can do is wait patiently until they are online again. Alright, in that case you can just wait. And how to check if they are under maintenance or not, just ask your friend to log in into their TikTok account. If they can log in into theirs but you can't, then it's not their server's problem, it's basically with you, and you can try all the steps which I just showed you in order to fix that. Alright, but if they're also facing the problem, then it's basically TikTok server. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix your TikTok login error. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.